Hello guys, welcome back to Androcoding tutorial. And this tutorial I'm making a video conferencing app. So I'm already making this app. So I'm simply understand you simply explain what it's and how it work. So first you go to the jitsi.github.io. Here Android Studio SDK. So you simply this Maven URL, copy and paste your Gradle project here, which is I'm already, and now simply click to here sync now, and also implement this dependency in your Gradle.module here and sync now. Then your project is now ready. So move to your main activity. Here I am taking a linear layout and a simple image view and edit text and a simple button. Now given your edit text ID is conferencing name and also ID to the join. Here I am at the click on click. Here is a on button click and this call is in main activity. Here simply find edit text and find with this ID edit text equal to find view ID, and now here is a on click button and well text equal to edit text equal to text dot string. I'm simply given a condition if text is not empty, then done option, which is built in Android SDK jitsi. Here option go to jitsi meet conference options dot builder and dot set room. Here I'm passing this text. When you enter your name and code and the edit text, then which name is set in this set room, and then build, and now simply last jitsi meet activity dot launch, where you pass context this main activity this, and that's option, which is redirecting to the app or SDK, which is jitsi meets conferencing meet. Okay, conferencing one, and now you connect. Now code explain. I hope you understand it. Now simply run this app. Okay, thanks for watching this video.